discussed the previous homework problem. Okay, in last class, we were learning about quantity index number. So what is quantity index number, students? What is quantity index? What is quantity index? Varsha, can you answer me? Zubair, can you give me the answer? What is quantity index? Give me in your own words. I don't want what exactly I told. What did you all understand what about quantity index number? Yes. Okay, Ashal says here price is taken as weights. Okay, we consider price as weights. What is quantity index? It is nothing but we see the changes that is happening in what? In the quantity, okay, in the volume of goods, yes, in the production, in the consumption of goods, okay, the changes that is happening in the volume of goods or the production, the manufacture, the consumption, it is called as quantity index number. And also we take here the price of the base and the current year as weights. So we were working out yesterday a problem. We worked out this problem. Okay, we were working out this problem where we solved under Darbish and Bowley's. So did you all work out under Fisher quantity index? Did you all get the answer under Fisher quantity index? Okay, Ashel has worked out and she has got 99.79 as quantity index value. Yes, it is right. Okay, Parveen also has worked out. Okay, good. Okay, this is a homework problem which I had given. Okay, quickly tell me the answers. First method. Okay, first give me the total. Okay, first one second, students. Change the color. Okay, first give me the total of summation Q1 P0. What is the total? Give me the total of summation Q1 P0. The ones who have worked out. Total of summation Q1 P0. Which one, students, you are telling? 92. I'm asking the homework problem, students, where I asked you to calculate. Okay, Annappa gave me the answer. Okay, good. 6,100. 6,100. Next, summation Q1, Q0, P0. Total of summation Q0, P0. What is the total of summation Q0, P0? Yes, good, Parveen. 5,200. Good, good. Next, summation Q1, P1. Total of summation Q1, P1. Okay, good. 8,300. And summation Q0, P1. Total of summation Q0, P1. Yes, good. 7,100. So I asked you to work out under Lasprey's method, Pasteur's method, Marshall-Edwards method, Darbish-Bowley's and Fisher. So under Lasprey, what is the answer you got? Under Lasprey's method, what is the answer you got? Give me the final answer. Okay, Annapat said it is, okay, Parvin is telling 117.307. That means 31. Good. Under Paste, what about others? Not worked out. Ankita, not worked out. Huh? Enjoying Diwali at home. Huh? Others. Okay. Under Paste, okay, Parvin is saying 116.90. Okay, good. Next, under Marshall and Edward. That means you all didn't understand this problem. You didn't work out means you didn't understand the problem. Under Marshall and Edward, what is the answer? Okay, you have got 117.07. Okay, under Darbish and Bowley's method. Simple problem, students, you should work out. Under Darbish and Bowley's, Under Dorbish and Bowley's, what is the answer, students? Okay, 117.105. Yes, good. And under Fisher, Parveen, your answer is wrong, I guess. Okay, 117.11 or 105. Okay. So these were the answers of that homework problem. What about other students? What about other students not worked out? Chandana, Ashil, Kirtana, Marlin, Varsha, Sneha. Not worked out? See, students, if you do not work out, you will not understand the methods. Okay? Do not take it lightly. Do not think that it is easy, we can work out during exam. No, you will make mistakes if you do not understand how to solve it. Okay? So do not think it very simple. Do not take it very lightly. Okay? Homework is given for you all not as a punishment. It is for you all to learn. It is for you all to understand the concepts. Okay? So I want you all to work out the problems. If you do not work out, it is a loss for you, not for me. Okay. We'll move to the today's problem. Okay. Compute an index number from the following. Okay. They have given us the items A, B, C, D, prices of articles in current year. They have said prices of articles of the current year. Means what? It is the price of the current year. That is P1. Number of articles produced, okay, that means production, that means quantity is given in thousands. They have given for the base year, which is Q0 Q0, okay, and for the current year it will be Q1. When you see this information, see in the question they have said compute index number. Now you must be confused whether it is a price index or a quantity index. But when you see the table over here, ಅವರು ಏನು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಮಗೆ P1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, that is price of the current year ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, quantity of the base year ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, quantity of the current year ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So we have the information of the quantity of base and current year and price only of the current year. So which method you will apply? Which method will you apply? Yes, good. You will apply purchase quantity index number. You will apply purchase quantity index number. So I've already done the table over here. Items P1, that is price of the current year, the quantity of the base and the current year. Quickly calculate Q1 P1, Q0 P1. Quickly calculate and give me the answer. Okay, Q1 into P1, that means quantity of the current year into the price of the current year. First one, 300. Good. Second one, 675. Okay. Third one, 1000. Okay. Last one, 22 into 25. 550. Good. What is the total of this? Total is 2525. Okay. Similarly, calculate Q0 P1, that is quantity of the base year into the price of the current year. 30 into 8, 240. Okay. Second one, 40 into 45 into 10, 450. 100 into 7, 700. 22 into 20, 440. Find the total of that. Total. Okay, you're getting 1830. Okay. Now, which method you said? Purchase quantity index number. Okay. What is the formula? Quantity of the base and the current year under purchase is equal to summation Q1 P1 divided by summation Q0 P1 into 100. Okay. Apply the values, that is 2525 divided by 1830 into 100. What is the answer? Okay, Ashil said it is 137.97 or 98. Okay, good. So like this you have to understand which method you have to apply. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಟೇಬಲ್ ನೋಡಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್, ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್. ಒನ್ ಮೇನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ whether you should see whether you have to apply price index or quantity index. Second is under that method which method you will apply, past chase, last pray, adu nodbeku. Okay, so as they have given us the prices of the current year, we will be applying price of past chase, quantity index, number. Okay, next problem. Given summation Q0 P0 is 400 and summation Q1 P0 is 500. Okay, so we have Q0 P0. ನಮಗೆ P0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, Q0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, Q1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, so which method will you apply? They have given us price of the base year. Okay, yes, last price, which method? Last price quantity or price? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈ ಎರಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಸ್ ವೇಟ್. ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಸಮೇಷನ್ Q1 P0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into 100. What is the value? 500 divided by 400 into 100. What is the answer you get? 125. So like these problems they will give you for 2 marks or 1 marks. Okay, so you should, if you write the formula and solve, you will get fully 2 marks. Okay, okay, now here given summation P1 Q0 is equal to 265 and summation P1 Q1, okay, I'm not given the value here, it is 260. The value is 260 over here. Construct a suitable index. Now, see the question and tell me which method will you apply. Which method will you apply? Okay, Sneha is telling price index. No, wrong. No, tell me whether you have to apply price index or a quantity index. Okay, Pooja is telling quantity. Okay, it is past chase quantity index number. How did you all find it is past chase quantity? How did you all find? Okay, they have given us P1. See here, P1 is there, here also P1 is there, common is P1. Q0 is given, Q1 is given. What is the problem? They have only reversed it. Okay, 1 into 10 is equal to 10. 10 into 1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ 10. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay, so it is past chase quantity. So P1 ಯಾವ price of the current year ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ weight ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, it is under past chase in quantity index. Under past chase you use weight as the current year weight you will use. Okay, so here in the quantity index number you will use price of the current year as weight. So they have given us P1, that means you have to apply past chase quantity index number. Okay, what is that, Varsha? Marshall quantity? No, how you will use Marshall quantity? It is not Marshall quantity. Other information given here, no. Okay, they have given us price of the current year. P1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎರಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ, Q0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, Q1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, instead of giving like this Q1 P1 ಕೊಟ್ಟು, they should have given us like this to make you confuse. What they have done, they have done the reverse, ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೋದು. Okay, 1 into 10 is equal to 10 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 10 into 1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ 10 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, now apply past chase formula, that is summation Q1 P1 divided by summation Q0 P1 into 100. Q1 P1 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? Q1 P1 that is 260 divided by Q0 P1. So Q0 P1 the value is 265 into 100. What is the answer? Your answer is 98.113. Annappa, your answer is wrong. Calculate it properly. Your answer should be 98.113. Okay, so you should see. Okay, when you see like this, okay, P munde there. Okay, you may think, okay, it is price index, but you should see what is the information given in that. Okay, they have not said P0 here. They have also given P1. Okay, so that means it is quantity. You should see which information is given and then you should see which method you have to apply. Next one. If last price quantity index is 170.4, that means quantity of the base and the current year under last spray, it is 170.4, and past chase quantity index is 171.6. That means quantity of the base and the current year under past chase, it is 171.6. Find Dorbish and Bowley, that is Q01 under Dorbish Bowley and Q01 under Fisher. Okay, you have to find these two. Okay, ಅವರು ಏನು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ನಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, 170 ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 171. So now based on this information we have to find Dorbish and Bowley's quantity index, Fisher quantity index. First we'll find Dorbish and Bowley. This color is not visible, I guess, for you all. Okay. So first one will take Dorbish and Bowley. As they have given us directly, we can use shortcut formula. That is, quantity of the base and the current year under Dorbish and Bowley is equal to half quantity of the base and current year under last spray plus quantity of the base and the current year under past year. Okay. So half is equal to, half into, what is the value? 170.4 plus, what is the value under past year quantity? It is 171.6. What is the answer you get? Add this 170.4 plus 171.6. What is the value you get? 342. Good. Now divided by 2 or multiplied by half. What is the answer? 171. 171. So you do not have to multiply with 100. Why? Because it is already multiplied by 100 and the value is given. Similarly, find for the Fisher. Fisher index, quantity index number. What is the formula? Quantity of the base and the current year under Fisher is equal to square root of quantity of the base and the current year under last spray into quantity of the base and the current year under past year. Take the square root of 170.4 into 171.6. Okay, so you should get, what is the value you get when you multiply? What is the answer you get? Okay, you are getting 29,240.64. Okay, when you take the square root of this value, you are getting how much? 170.99. That is equal to 171. Okay, so like this you have to calculate. Hope you are understanding how to calculate like this. Okay, next one. If the quantity of the base in the current year under past year is 320.4 and quantity of the base in the current year under Dorbish and Bowley is 342.2, then quantity of the base in the current year under last spray you have to find out. Or ಏನು information ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? They have given the information about past year, Dorbish and Bowley and last spray. So which formula will you apply? Okay, ma'am, I have a doubt in Dorbish. One second. I have a doubt in. Okay, Kushi, I didn't get your doubt. In Darvish and Bowley, what happened? You can wait 1 second. Okay, Kushi, you can unmute yourself and you can ask me your doubt. You can unmute yourself. Yes, Kushi.
Ma'am, that Darvish and Bowley, half that answer will come now, ma'am. How we have to calculate that?
Okay, you want me to explain how to calculate it?
Yes, ma'am. I
Okay.
didn't understood that.
Okay, I will explain.
Okay, ma'am.
See, in Darvish and Bowley, what happens is, first thing is you have to add it. Idu add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. First, when
Yes,
you
ma'am.
add it, after you add, either you can like directly divide by 2. Okay. So, or you can multiply with 1 by 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. See, in one more formula, when we take full formula, okay, that is summation Q1 P0 plus summation Q1 P1 divided by summation Q0 P0 plus summation Q0 P1. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ into here it is half here into 100. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಇದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, this is half. You will get like this one value into 100. First, you will divide ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. First, you divide this. Then you multiply with 1 by 2. Then you multiply with 100.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. In this method, what happens is, ಅವರು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಆದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹೇಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 100 ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಪುನಃ 100 ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Okay, ma'am.
Suppose in the question, if they give us the value as 1.704 and 1.716, e type kottidre namge, you should see where the point is. They have given them not converted into 100. Avaga ನಾವು multiply by 100 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, did you understand now? First you have to add. Okay, first you have to add it and then you have to multiply with 1 by 2, multiply with 100 if necessary. If
Okay,
it is required.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, okay. Okay, so here they have given us the purchase value, the quantity of the base and current are the purchase. They have given us Darvish and Bowley, and they have asked us to calculate under Laspre. So which method, which formula will you apply here? Which formula will you apply here in this method to calculate Laspre? It is there. They have given us the Darvish and Bowley's information here. So obviously we will use the formula of quantity of the base and current here under Darvish and Bowley is equal to half, open the bracket, quantity of the base and the current here under Laspre plus quantity of the base and the current here under Paste. Okay, so they have given us information about Darvish and Bowley. What is the value? 342.2 is equal to half, open the bracket. Have they given us the information about Laspre? No, they have asked us to calculate. So write as it is, Q01 under Laspre plus they have given us the information about Paste. What is the value? 320.4. Okay, now you have to calculate this. How will you calculate? Forget about this now, only consider half. First what you do, bring this 2, idu enide 1 by 2 divided by 2 ide, ee divided dadanu ee side bring it to the opposite side. What will happen? You have to multiply, that is 342.2 into 2 is equal to 1 is there. Forget, the value of 1 is equal to 1 only. So what is remaining? Q01 under Laspre plus 320.4. Okay, the ones who have find out the total answer is good. The others who have not understood, Give me the answer of this. 342.2 into 2. You're getting 684.4 is equal to quantity of the base in the current year under last spray plus 320.4. Now bring this plus 320 to the opposite side. Okay, what it will happen? 684.4 plus 320.4 iddadanu now minus 320.4 ಮಾಡಿ. What happens when it is plus? When you take it to the opposite side, it will become minus. Is equal to what remains here? Quantity of the base in the current year under last spray. So what is the value here? 684.4 minus 320.4. You are getting 364 as the value of quantity of the base and current year under last spray. This is the answer. Now do not get confused when you bring this and this side. Okay, when you write it straight properly. Okay, do not make it as minus 364 again. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, we are just interchanging it, that side and this side. Okay, so did you all understand how to work out? ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಇದ್ದದನ್ನು ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಇದ್ದದನ್ನು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. You have to multiply it. When you multiply you will get one value. Then what is remaining here? Plus 320.4. ಈ plus 320.4 ಅನ್ನು ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತರುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ minus 320.4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? That when you minus it you will get 364. So this is the value of quantity of the base and current year under last spray. Okay, next one. If quantity of the base and current year under last spray is 236, okay, last spray value kottidare, okay, and quantity of the price base and the current year under Fisher kottidare. So which method will you apply here? You have to find the purchase value. Which method will you apply? Okay, you will apply Fisher quantity index. So what is the formula? Quantity of the base in the current year under Fisher is equal to square root of quantity of the base and current year under last spray into quantity of the base and the current year under past year. Okay, so we have the values here. They have given us the last spray value. What is the Fisher value here? 238 is equal to, take the square root. Okay, what is the value of last spray? 236 into, we do not have the value of past year, so we will write it as it is under past year. Now ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ? We have to take the, we have to square both the sides. We have to square both the sides. When you square both the sides, what will happen? The square root and the square will be cancelled. The square root and the square will be cancelled. What is the answer of this? 238 into 238. That andre idu square ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 238 into 238. What is the answer? 56,644 is equal to, square root square ಹೋಗಿದೆ. What is remaining? 236 into quantity of the base and current year under past year. So ಈಗ ಇದು 236 you have to bring to the opposite side. So what will happen? So 56,644 into ide, okay, what will happen? It will be divided by 236 is equal to quantity of the base and the current year. What is the answer? Yes, good. It is 240.0. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. So like this you have to, when it comes to Fisher, we have to cancel the squares. We have to, ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್, ಓಕೆ, both the sides ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎರಡು ಸಲ. 238 into 238 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Then you have to bring this 236 to the opposite side, which will be taken as divided by 236. That will give you answer as 240.0. Okay. I'll give you one problem here. Okay, I'll give you one problem here. Take down the problem. If last sprays and Fisher quantity index, okay, if last spray and Fisher's quantity index are 110 and 110.5 respectively. Find purchase quantity, index number. So to find the purchase quantity index number, what they have given? They have given us quantity of the base and current year under Laspre. What is the value? Laspre and Fisher. So this will be Laspre, this will be Fisher. So 110. Quantity of the base and the current year under Fisher ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 110.5. ಏನು find out ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Past year, that is quantity of the base and the current year under past year. ಯಾವ formula apply ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Which formula? Okay, you are applying the Fisher's quantity, that is quantity of the base and the current year under Fisher is equal to square root of quantity of the base and the current year under Laspre into quantity of the base and the current year under past year. What is the value? Okay, Fisher idu 110.5 is equal to square root of what is the value of Laspre? 110 into quantity of the base and current year under past year. Namge value gottilla. Square both the sides. Square both the sides. Okay, square and the square root will be cancelled. What is the value here? 110.5 into 110.5. Okay, you will get 12,210.25. Good. Is equal to what is remaining here? 110 into quantity of the base and current year under past year. Bring this 110 to the opposite side. It will be 12,210.25 divided by 110 is equal to quantity of the base and current year under past year. The answer will be 111.00, which is equal to 111. So like this you have to calculate. Okay, so I hope you all understood how to calculate this. Next one, we finished with price, we finished with quantity. Now when we multiply price into quantity, what we will get? We will get value. The third type of index number, is value index number. Now what is value index number? It is nothing but it is an index number of the total money value of the transactions taking place over the period of time. It is nothing but the total value or the total expenditure of a particular product. It is not the per unit value, but it is a total money, a total value. A particular item is the total value anna ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೈಸ್, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಅವರು ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಶಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, MRP ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. That MRP price is known as value, value index number. So when you say value, it is nothing but the product of price and the quantity. When you multiply price into quantity per unit, okay, you will get the value. Okay, when you multiply price into the quantity per unit, you will get a value of a product. A simple value index number is, so how will you denote value index? It is nothing but V01. So in, okay, V01, it will give you, it is the ratio of sum of values of a given period. Again, it will be considered of the base and the current period. Okay, ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ consider ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ base period ಕೂಡ current period ಕೂಡ. So what is the formula? As other formulas, it is same. The current year divided by the base year into 100. So when we say value index number, the formula is summation V1, that is value of the current year divided by value of the base year into 100. Okay, now how will you find the value? It is nothing but summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q0 into 100. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ weights ಇಲ್ಲ. There is no weights. When you say value, it is both price and the quantity, and it is of the same year. Okay, ಒಂದೇ ವರ್ಷದ್ದು consider ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇದ್ದು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇದ್ದು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ಲಿ, current year separately. Okay, I have a small problem here, very simple. They have given us the items okay, the prices and the quantity of 2008. okay, so ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರೈಸ್ P0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 2008 ಇದ್ದು. now what is 2008? it is base year. okay, so quantity will be Q0. 2010 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, that will be always the current year. okay, so price of the current year will be P1, quantity of the current year will be Q1. okay, now what they have asked us to calculate? They have asked us to calculate value index number. so we want all the information. namge price of the base and the current year beku, price quantity of the base and the current year kuda beku. I've done the table here. okay, items price of the base, quantity of the base year, price of the current year, quantity of the current year. First I will write the formula. What is the formula? V01, value of the base and the current year, is equal to summation V1 divided by summation V0 into 100. That means summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q0 into 100. okay, so you have to calculate P1 Q1, which is nothing but V1. okay, also you have to calculate P0 Q0, which will give you the value of V0. okay, I'll stop here because it is already time. I'll continue this method in the next class. So did you all understand price and the quantity index number, students? Any doubt in any of the methods under price quantity index and price index and the quantity index? Do you have any problem? okay, till price index Kavita ma'am nimge explain madidare. In quantity index number, do you have any doubts? Yes, yes or no? At least give me that answer, students. okay, at least 2 students gave me the answer that you don't have any doubts. That means you understood the concepts. okay, I'll send you the homework problems then. Please work out and give me the answers today.